Hello everyone, welcome back to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to unmute someone on Instagram. So watch this video till the end. Instagram stories or posts might be muted for a variety of reasons. However, this does not always imply that you wish to keep them muted. You have the option to unmute their posts or stories if you change your mind. So without any further ado, let's get started. Open your Instagram app on your device. Tap on the search icon at the bottom menu bar of your page. Tap on the search bar located at the top of your page. Search for the people you want to unmute. Tap on the following button. From the menu, click on Mute. Move the toggle bar to left for the post you want to unmute this person from. There you go. The simple steps will show you how to unmute someone on Instagram. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon on our channel so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.